It's noon. We kind of slept in, took it easy. We're on our way to get some coffee. We're gonna go to the same place as we went yesterday. Their coffee was amazing. And then we'll head off to the beach. We made it to Hvar beach and we're just hanging out on the rocks because that's a thing to do apparently here. Not everyone just lays on the sand, which sand is.
It's not really sand, it's like just smaller rocks.
Yeah, so we found a space on the rocks and we're just gonna hang out a little bit. It's in the shade, which is nice.